Hello guys, so in this video I will show you how to buy Bionergy token. Yes, so this is an X account. Now before we start, this is not a financial advice. I am not a professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project, please do your own research. Now this is their website. Now just take a look at it. Now the token is available on Uniswap. Now make sure to connect your wallet. For this I will use Phantom. Now after you connect your wallet, go to your wallet, or just you can make the transaction from here. Now click on swap. Now from here, make sure you have enough Solana, and from here just search for the Bionergy like this, and make sure you select the right one. And from here, just click I understand. This is the warning. Read it and click on I understand. If you are ready to go, just click on it. And now enter how much you want to buy, and this is how much you will receive. This is the providers. Now select one of them, and this is the price information. And if you are ready to go, just click on swap, and you will be able to buy this token called Bionergy token on your Phantom wallet. So if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.